everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my thoughts on newly launched NYX Shine Loud High Shine Lip Color. I picked up this during Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, but as it was on their new arrival section, I did not get any discount whatsoever. I have been trying out this product for quite some time now, so I have my thoughts ready. Let's get started with today's video. Now, if you check NYX official website, you'll come to know that this lip products comes in 36 different shades, but on Nykaa they have just launched 10 shades, and I think these 10 shades are going to suit each and every skin tones in India. For my brown skin, I got the shade Gold Getter. It retails for rupees 999 for 3.6 ml of quantity, and this product expires on October 2026. Now, this was launched 3 years back when we just survived pandemic, so the whole idea was like we were wearing masks and our lipstick used to get transfer, which was a very big problem for women's and girls in all over the globe. So the main idea was to bring something that doesn't get transfer. It is absolutely mask proof and it is going to stay all day put for 16 hours as they have already claimed. So it comes in this kind of packaging. You get pigment on one end and the gloss or the sealer on other end. It doesn't come with any outer packaging, and when I received it never came with any seal or plastic coating on top. I don't know why. I wonder if it comes as it is. Let's just not think about that. So let me show you the applicator. It comes in this kind of leaf applicator, which I think is very big for my lip shape, but it holds a lot of product and you do not have to dip couple of times for the pigment. Like one swipe you get an enough pigmentation and it covers your entire lip, and the other end you get this kind of brush applicator. This is how it looks like. It is just like your nail polish applicator. Now, before I give you my final thought, let me just read out what this product is all about. So currently I'm on NYX official website and I am very much interested what this lipstick has to offer us. So let me just read out the description for you guys. It says, shine loud with our first ultra pigmented high shine lip color, available in 36 bold shades. This dual ended lipstick delivers bold color with up to 16 hours of transfer resistant wear, plus the two-step technology is easy to use. Simply swipe on the pigment packed base coat for a pop of loud color, let dry, then add the top coat, a long lasting lip gloss for a non-sticky finish. Now they have also mentioned some key ingredients. It includes macadamia seed oil, coriander fruit oil, jojoba seed oil, apricot kernel oil and passion fruit seed oil. Meanwhile, the ultra glossy top coat contains a vitamin E derivatives. So this is infused with all nourishing and moisturizing properties to hydrate our lips and keep our lips moisturized for as long as we are wearing this lip product. So now coming to my final thoughts. First things first, before using this kind of formulation, always exfoliate and moisturize your lips really well, and do not forget to use a good layer of lip balm or a lip mask because the formulation is little bit on the matte and drier side. So it's better that you prep your lips really very well before using this kind of formulation so that it is going to maintain the moisturization. Now let me tell you the ways you have to use this lipstick. Firstly, you have to apply the pigment, wait for 3 minutes, let it dry, let it set on its own. Do not press your lips, otherwise it is going to get patchy. Once you have crossed the 3 minutes time frame, then go ahead and use this gloss. You will have to apply a very light layer of this gloss and you can see a beautiful high shine lip gloss kind of effect going on. This is going to survive if you are eating any kind of oily food, if you are having your drinks, if you're having your meals or little bit of snacks here and there. This is going to survive that. But I have also noticed that while I was doing the wear test, it did come off from the inner part of my lip, but most of the product or the pigment was there on my entire lips. formulation is absolutely transfer proof, and also it is mask proof. So if you're still wearing mask, I think you can try out this lipstick. Now the gloss is not very long lasting. If you do a kiss proof test, you'll come to know that the gloss does transfer, but the lipstick or the pigment doesn't transfer whatsoever, and that is what seals the pigment. That is what makes this lipstick a very long wearing one. Another thing I notice about this lipstick is that it is absolutely a budge proof, transfer proof formulation, and it does not flake off or bleed. Now because the formulation is so on the matte side and little bit on the thicker side, I could see that after few hours it started to gather in my lip lines, which generally happens with most of the matte formula lipstick which is on the heavier side. Other thing about this lipstick is because the formulation is so matte and budge proof, it is not going to come off easily with any wet wipe or micellar water. For this you will need some good oil based cleanser or a makeup remover. I have tried using my Bioderma oil based cleanser and it came off really very easily without burning or hampering my lips in any ways. Now is the moment of truth, whether I would recommend this lipstick to you or not. Frankly speaking, you have such kind of similar formulation from Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Lip Ink. You get a very budge proof formula with some glossy shiny thing going on, and even that is very much long wearing. Then you have your L'Oreal Infallible lipstick which has been newly launched. You can even try that. I think it is much cheaper than this NYX product, but if you want to get your hands on, you can totally do so. And if you do not want to spend $1,000 for this one lipstick, I would say wait for Nykaa sale. Next time you can better pick it up at 20% off or any other discount Nykaa is offering on NYX product. Now I have tried this lip color other way around. Other day I just used the pigment and apply it onto my lips, let it sit for 3 minutes, but I noticed that even after 3 minutes when I pressed my lips, it was sticking to each other. So it feels very uncomfortable that way. You cannot use it all by itself. You definitely need to use the gloss to seal the lipstick completely. Once you have used the gloss, you will not feel any kind of stickiness or tackiness whatsoever. On my lips, it did not feel lightweight at all as they have claimed. This is my experience. That is what I am saying, that it is according to me a not a very lightweight formulation. I also wanted to mention that this is another day that I am doing a wear test of this lipstick. I had my meal, had my oily food, I had water, juice, everything, but still the lipstick is intact. It did not come off from the inner part of my lips as it did it on the day one. I did click before and after, so I'll put it over here. You'll have a fair idea. But today when I'm trying this lipstick for the third time, even after having a handsome oily food, still it did not budge, it did not bleed, or it did not flake off whatsoever. Can you see? Yes, it's still intact. So I can say that this lipstick is hell long lasting. So yes, this wraps my today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, please take a moment to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.